In this video, I will show you how to cancel send friend requests on Facebook. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. So let's go now. Open your Facebook app. After you open Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open menu now, scroll to down and tap on this friends section. This friends, tap on it. After you open this friends, all you have to do now, tap on this friends request at the top right left side. So now tap on this three dot. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this view sent request. So as you can see now, under this view sent request, now as you can see now, I can be able now to see all the friends requests that I sent on Facebook. If you want to cancel, all you have to do now, tap on this cancel button. As you can see now, I cancel this one. So tap on this cancel button beside the facing name that you send him prayer request and he did not accept your prayer request. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to respond to your comment. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.